Right, for our Christmas tree from recycled bottle, we need 2, 4, 6 bottles, a small one. It can be any color, to be honest, even this color. But if I couldn't bother to paint it after, so but if you like, if you are happy to paint it yourself, you can use even the normal clear plastic bottles. I have green one, so I don't need to paint them after, and I need one bigger one after. Again, can be any color. 6 of them, we need to cut them in a different level in terms of the height. So I will show you. Be careful using the cutter or scissors, extremely sharp. Right, like this, different level. And this one, I'm going to cut it from this part because that's going to be our base. So, okay, after you cut them all in a different height, it's time to cut them vertically to make strips. So around 0.5 centimeter width would be enough for all of them. So we cut all the way from here close to the neck of the bottle. Let me show you how it is. Something like this, all around for all of them. Oh, it's too much. After you cut them all around, you just place it on the table, push it down to make it all go flat like this. Push it hard so it won't come back. Now it's time to make them roll that way. So we're going to use scissors. Be careful again, so sharp. How do I do it? Like this. So you can see it's moved downwards, and that's what we want to see. So it took me 5 minutes to cut all the strips. Anyway, so I've cut all of them. And I didn't use the scissors, I used my hand this way. At the end of the day, I'm not very arty, I try to be, but I always find a way to make things happen easier. So the job is done quicker and not as beautiful, but it's done for the purpose I need them. The next step is we're starting from the top or bottom, doesn't matter, from each side. In order, start sticking these on each other. So I'm going to just glue them all together like this way. Beautiful, isn't it? And then I'll show you how to make the star for the top of this. Okay, I used hot glue to stick all these bottles together from the head, the way you can see. Looks amazing, I know that. I love this Christmas tree. The main reason for that, although it's not complete yet, it's not complete. I'm going to add a star on top of that and some glowing material or glowing glue, glowing dark glue on top of it, so it will shine at night time. What I like about this is, first of all, is recycling materials. Second thing is that is I made it myself, so I can personalize it. I can decorate it the way I like, and I can keep it. Next year, you can again use it. You don't need to spend money. It's all from the recycling bin. I'm gonna make a star for the top of this tree, so I'm gonna use pink. To make a star is so simple. All you have to do is get long strips, well, 12 of them, 12 strips. Okay, my strips are ready, 12 of them. First, only use 6 of them. Use the glue to fix them in place. The next step is these two corners, the one there on the corner. You lift them up and then you stick them, the tip of them together. like this. Repeat this for all 4 corners. Then that's how it's going to look like. Very nice. It's a bit big for my tree, but that's okay. I'm going to use again the other 6 that I had. Same technique, same style, sticking them together. After the second one is ready too, remember you can use even thicker paper for this, or even plastic sheets, up to you. Back to back we're going to stick them together, but make sure they kind of look like a cross. It's something like this. It looks nice, I know. I like it. My own job, my own work. I think I should be an art teacher. They're gonna fire me from being a science teacher, and then I can find a job in the art and craft teacher. Piece of paper, any color that you like. Something round so you can draw around it. I use this one. So for each paper, I need 2 circles. I'm making a small one, but you can make as big as you like. Okay, so here. Right, I'm just going to show you one of them, but you need 2 of them for each part. So when you have a round circle here, you fold it half, fold it again. If it's bigger, it's much easier to make, but I'm a master, I can make this too. And one more time. So fold it 3 times until you get this shape, like a slice of pizza. Then you need to start cutting it. But how you're going to cut it, I'm going to draw a pattern on this for you first, and then that's the pattern. You cut from one side, you're not going all the way to the end. You stop, and then you start from the other side. Right, left, not all the way to the end. If you want a string go through them from the middle to hang it on the wall, it's good to cut the tip of this slice as well, just tiny bit, like this. And then it's ready. So you open this, unfold it. That's the shape you get. Now you can open it, stretch it from all sides. Like this. So let me just make another one, attach it to this to show you. So I left the tree with glowing dark glue on it, dry, so I'll show you later. Let's get back to this one. Now the glue is dry. You pull both sides, you stretch it, and you can see it's a nice decoration. This is very small one. When you have a bigger one, it's a better decoration. You can keep connecting, making these one connect together, the long string across the room. Different colors, add anything that you like on top of it to make it shine, glow, sparkly. It's fine. So that's one.
Alright guys, you can see the tree is ready, complete. I have added some glowing dark glue on it. I came here to take some photograph in dark to show you how amazing it looks like, but I think the camera doesn't work. I tried my best, everything comes up, it's like dark, pitch dark, okay? I have no idea why. I am 100% sure there's something wrong with the camera. But to just one person, I wasn't sure. I said I should go and find someone who's good in photography. I couldn't find anyone, but the closest person to me was Mr. Richard. Hi. Hi. Do you know anything about camera?
I do know some things about cameras. I don't really know that much about cameras, but a little bit.
I think it's not working.
It's not working. Okay. So to capture any images in the dark, one of the things that you need to balance is the shutter speed. You need to reduce the shutter speed so the shutter stays in for longer, so you can expose more of the light, so there'll be limited light in the dark to the sensor. That will result in an image which allows you to see some of the glow in the dark things. So we'll try some, and then we'll pop them over the top, and Mr. Yazdan will probably just put his name on the bottom. Yeah.
That's my video, of course, I can take photos. Let's see how the photos look like. Richard, what do you think about Christmas? You like Christmas?
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Really, some people are like this, they love Christmas. Some people dislike it, some people they don't mind it. Would you like to hear my own personal opinion about Christmas?
No, I wouldn't.
Please. Just one line. No. me just say at least who was born
Too
here.
political. Too political.
Let me say at least, oh, I can say this one, who was born on 25th of December.
I haven't noticed this one.
Alright, you don't know, we love Christmas, you don't know who was born there.
Of course I do.
25th of December, a child was born who, in the age of 30, completely transformed the way that we understand the universe and the world. Happy birthday, Isaac Newton. So you love Christmas?
I love Christmas. I think it is the most wonderful. No, my God. Okay.
So all I want for Christmas is
The most wonderful time of the year.
no subscriber for each other. I think that I love Christmas. Some people celebrate it as a religious festival. Some people have cultural festival, and some they just use it as an excuse to be happy and be gathering with the family. Present holiday, people spend a lot of money in present. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You can make things for them. Isn't it? You can make nice photo, writing,
Yeah, you could,
making things.
if you can make something nice for someone at Christmas, that is acceptable.
No, sorry, what were you saying? Yeah, well, I like it because people get together, they're everyone happy, especially if they live in the northern hemisphere. It's cold and dark, but that's a good excuse to just not being depressed and being happy.
Do you know who's born on Christmas? I can tell you about someone who's born on Christmas. This person changed the world. Of course you know who's born on Christmas. I'm joking.
Yeah, Isaac Newton.
No, who else can I say? Do you know who else who's born on Christmas?
That's the main one I know.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Isaac Newton, born on Christmas.
Well done, how do we know that? Oh, someone else, not the exact same Christmas day, but I was born very close to it and it's very important to me, is my sister.
Oh,
Happy birthday. Best brother in the world. Not my other brother, me. Anything else you want to add?
Nothing else on that. I think this is awkward and gonna.
And I'm not going to edit them, I'm just going to put them on YouTube.
Perfect. So, see, now from the horse's mouth that he doesn't do the editing at all. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Maybe I have to get I don't do editing now.
Whatever religion, wherever you are celebrating, have happy holidays, enjoy your winter break. If you are one of our students, if you're not one of our students, otherwise, whenever you're finding this, be happy.
Be happy, enjoy. If you have nothing to do, keep watching my videos.
There we go then. So
Thank you. Bye.
A card, thick paper, any color you like. I had this color, so I'm going to use this one. Let's make it like a card size. Card, you want to give someone, you open it, there's nothing in there. So let's make a pop-up card. I'm thinking of a Christmas tree inside. So you need to start by green color. You can either do it green or just white. I will show you both. Green tree or snow on the tree. First, I fold all the paper all the way like this, a zigzag type. When you have it, you need to cut this. For the first part, I'm going to have around 5 centimeter. Cut it. Second part, I want to be smaller, 1 centimeter smaller than this. 3, 4, and 5. This is the main part of our tree. So we start by, we need a trunk for it too. So square shape. So that's the trunk for the tree. Okay, starting with the longest part. Glue one side of it and I stick it sideways close to the trunk. That's the first part. After you finish one side, stick the other side. So after it's completely dry, then you can open your card and see the pop-up Christmas tree. Let me just test it myself first if it works. Of course it works. It looks amazing. Look. Ta-da! Looks so nice, isn't it? So simple and easy to make. I love this. I hope you enjoyed too. Oh, by the way, if you use the white sheet, the tree would be like snow on it. I can't finish this video without showing you my favorite product of the day. Today I received a very nice card, like this one, for Christmas holiday. from a guy called Richard. Okay, I don't know. Do you know him? Right. And it says to that guy from YouTube, happy holidays. Thank you very much, Richard. That guy is called Mr Yazdan, very famous YouTuber. But what I did to this card, I love this card, so nice, but I tried to add some physics to it and make it more digital. I decided to add a little bit change to it. So what I did, you can see here, just a plain paper here. But when you look at the front, when I close the, can you see the lights and the bead? Well, it's all about me pushing this part in the bottom and the lights all coming on. How I did that is so simple. It's everything under this paper. I'm just going to lift this up. I had some LEDs, and instead of wires I used kitchen foil for the wires, connected all together in parallel. It has to be parallel, so if you want to stop working, the rest will still continue working. You have to make sure all positives connected together, negatives together, and to the battery. I kept the circuit open at this part. At this part I kept it open, so when I close the card and these two parts touch each other, it completes the circuit and the lights will go on. So I cover this all on and I can glue it. You can see here I kept it open, and this is the rest of the circuit. So when you close it, see, all the lights will come on. I love this card. You can be creative, make these cards and impress anyone you like. Okay, I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Enjoy your holiday.